welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Halloween door swag using 2 of the Dollar Tree Halloween Christmas trees. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. This Halloween door swag is so simple to make and inexpensive too, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial. For this door swag, you're going to need 2 of the Dollar Tree Halloween Christmas trees. Now, if you cannot find the Halloween version, the Christmas version will work too. I have a lot of things on my table that I didn't use because it's not a huge swag when you get it made, so I had so many things and I just couldn't fit them all on there. Most all of the materials came from Dollar Tree, so you're going to need 2 of the pumpkin picks from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 3 different colors of ribbon with wire for your bow. You're going to need some small shatterproof Christmas ornaments or Halloween ornaments from Dollar Tree. You're going to need at least 1 roll of the 6-inch deco mesh from Dollar Tree, and I did not use that cute hat from Dollar General, but I did use the Welcome My Gnomes sign from Craft Outlet. First, you're going to take your 2 Christmas trees and open them up, and on the bottom they have like a little knob thing, and you're going to remove the knob at the end of the Christmas tree and just set that aside. You don't need it, and you don't need the plastic pieces of the stand. You will want to take your little Christmas trees and you're going to fluff them. Now, you do not have to fluff the back because it will be against your door or wall, so just fluff the branches and make it nice and full, and then you're going to need some zip ties to connect the trees together. You can use this same technique to make it for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for Halloween, and I'm just trying to give you some ideas. Next, you're going to need 2 zip ties to connect your trees. So put one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the trunk or base of your tree. And I just kind of moved mine, overlapped it so that it would be more stable, and just zip tie the trees together. Next, you're going to take a roll of your Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh, make a bubble at the top, go to the top left side, and just take the little tinsels on your tree, twist them around your mesh, then let out a little bit of mesh. You don't want to pull it tight, so move down about 6 inches or so and twist your mesh into your little tinsels, and then you're going to go all the way down your little tree making these little poofs. Then you're going to go back up the middle making poofs, and then down the right side making poofs. You could go back over it with your second roll of mesh if you wanted to make it fuller. Just remember to try to make your poofs the same size each time and just space them out about the same distance on your door swag. And then out the end, I was almost out of mesh, so I just let out a little bit, cut it off, and it just curled right up, and I just let it hang there. If you want it fuller than this, then go back over it with maybe a second color of deco mesh or even the same color, whatever you would like. Next, I'm adding 2 glitter picks that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So I've got a pink one and an orange one. I would have probably liked it better if I had 2 the same color, but I didn't. So I'm just fluffing my glitter pick and I am just placing it in the center, just kind of pushing it between the branches on the tree. And then I'm going to take some of the tinsels and twist them around the stem of this floral pick from Dollar Tree. Now you could zip tie it in or wire it in if you want to. So I'm placing one on the top and one on the bottom. Next, I'm taking 2 pumpkin picks from Dollar Tree. They are really pretty, so I'm going to place one on the top and one on the bottom, and I'm just going to use the same tinsels that I put in the willow glitter pick. So I'm just untwisting it, sliding in the Halloween pumpkin pick, then I'm going to twist the tinsels back around them both, and I'm putting one on the top and one on the bottom. Now it's time to tie a bow, so I'm just letting out a tail, making a loop, going to pinch it tightly in my left hand. It's about a 4-inch loop, going to the other side, making another 4-inch loop, keeping it nice and tight in my left hand, checking to make sure my loops are about the same size on each side. Going to make another loop, and sometimes you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top. And this ribbon right here, I ordered it online from Craft Outlet. The purple ribbon came from Walmart, and then the witch hat ribbon came from Dollar Tree. I tied 2 bows total, so this one I didn't let out very long tails, but I made a second bow for the bottom of the door swag, and I let out longer tails for it, and I only used 2 colors for the bottom bow. Just try to make sure you get your loops the same size each time. I did make the purple loops just a little bit smaller than the striped ribbon. On the Dollar Tree witch hat ribbon, I did make the loops a little bit smaller than the purple ribbon. So each time I got the loops a little bit smaller. Now I'm taking a zip tie, getting it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Then I'm going to dovetail the ends, Fold your end in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, or you could cut it at a slant or a knife cut. It's up to you. Then now we're ready to fluff the loops of our bow and shape your bow. And sometimes it takes just a little bit of time to get it just like you want. Here I'm taking a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie, and that way I can easily attach the bow to my door swag. So just thread the wire underneath the zip tie. Then you're going to take your bow wires, and I'm going just underneath my Halloween floral picks, and I'm going to thread my wires on the left and right side of the trees. Then I'm going to go to the back, twist the wires, cut them off short, and fold them down. And then you'll have to fluff and shape your bow and loops again. I have to shape and fluff my bow several times before I hang it up on my door. I am not sure the exact name of these little things. I think they're called cable tie mounts, but I'm not 100% certain. But we ordered them online from Amazon, and they're really nice to put on the back of your sign to attach it to your wreath. Several subscribers told me that I needed to go back and add a little hot glue around them just to make sure that they stay in place. So far I've had excellent results, so I'm just adding a little Gorilla Glue, hot glue around these little cable tie mounts. After it has time to dry, then you can either use floral wire or pipe cleaners to thread them through, and then you're ready to attach them to your wreath. So I just take the wires and I thread them through the deco mesh, through the tinsel, go to the back of the Christmas trees or Halloween trees, give the wires a few twists, then cut the wires off short and fold them down. So these are really nice. Like I said, we ordered them from Amazon. It comes in like huge packages for around $10. So I think I got like 3 bags. So check out Amazon and type in cable tie mounts, and hopefully it'll pop up for you. These signs a little bit big probably for this door swag, but I wanted to use it so the bow does cover up the word welcome a little bit, but it's okay. I'm going to leave it because I just think it's too cute, and my daughter loves gnomes. At first I only had one bow on this door swag, but I went back, tied a second one for the bottom, and left long tails, and then I hot glued on some of these shatterproof Halloween ornaments to the door swag, and they're from Dollar Tree. Make sure you fluff the loops of your bow, make sure your tails are going the right direction, and your floral picks that you fluff them, and then you're ready to hang it on your door. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I am also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. So I hope you'll stop by and say hi on those other social media accounts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, share it with a friend, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.